It can be affirmed that grilled pork is an extremely popular dish in the United States, loved for its delicious fatty taste, easy to prepare and suitable for many different occasions. Before getting to the process of preparing eye-catching and delicious grilled meat dishes, let's visit the culinary factory to see how they handle adult pigs first. Don't forget to like and share this video so more people know about this interesting American cuisine. And we are Trending Farm. Pigs, after arriving at the food processing factory, will be put into a high concentration CO2 gas furnace. Here they will be stunned to ensure humanity in the processing process. The pig's feet continue to be hung up and transferred to the furnace to clean the hair. They were on their way through the organ harvesting and separation system in the food factory. Industrial cutting machines equipped by food factories help workers divide pig carcasses into large pieces of meat. The conveyor belt will lead them to the next station. Pork leg and shoulder meat is put through a deboning machine. Workers continue to remove skin and external fat. The worker uses a knife to separate each piece of meat from the bone. Have you seen a robot arm in a food factory in action? They are separating the loin bone with a 3D cut, creating a consistent and high-quality finished product. Another automated machine is helping workers flatten belly meat and ribs, allowing handheld devices to remove ribs more cleanly and quickly. The cutting machine will separate the belly meat and tenderloin meat. Open skin peeling machine helps separate skin and fat into two different parts. All cuts of meat are ready to be transferred to the processing area. The next part of the video will tell you how Americans use it to create aromatic kebabs. Don't look away from the screen. When it comes to America, it would be a mistake if you ignore the smoked grill method. This is the most popular method for roasting pork directly in the US. Almost all parts of the pig, such as belly, tenderloin, pork leg, ribs, can be ingredients to become grilled meat. The meat is prepared with spices, then smoked with wood for many hours at low temperature. The smoking process helps the meat cook slowly, creating a unique, delicious flavor and keeping the meat moist. Grilling meat is very hard work, requiring dedication and discipline. Ingredients will be brought to the processing area early in the morning for the chef to refine and marinate. At the same time, they will prepare a fire to 250 degrees F from different types of wood to create special flavors. Check the internal temperature of the meat regularly. Once they reach about 165 degrees F, the chef will brush them with BBQ sauce to keep them from drying out, while they continue to grill for another hour and a half. Grilled meat tastes best when it is eaten hot. So Americans prefer to grill meat at home or serve it directly at restaurants. How about you? Don't forget to share your culinary experiences with us in the comments section of the video. According to a survey by the National Pork Association, NPPC, 70% of Americans regularly eat grilled pork, and 65% consider this to be their favorite dish at gatherings and parties. They often organize outdoor barbecue parties and consider this a place to gather friends. In addition to the main dish of grilled meat, other dishes are also served to enhance the flavor of the main dish. Grilled meat can be eaten with sauce, mashed potatoes, salad, and fresh vegetables. Barbecue festivals are also a place for chefs to share their knowledge, professional skills, and recipes for more interesting grilled meat dishes. If you have the opportunity to come to the land of flowers, don't forget to visit these outdoor barbecue festivals. American farmers invest carefully in farms and pig breeds to ensure fresh ingredients for grilled dishes. Join us to learn how to raise sows and piglets. The health of sows directly affects the quality of offspring. At each farm, the owner builds a separate sow area, approximately 24 square feet, made from durable and easy to clean materials. The cage floor is flat with a slight slope, equipped with a feeding trough, a drinking trough, a heating lamp, and a limit bar to prevent the mother pig from pressing on the piglets. This area also has fans and lights. Sows are artificially inseminated and monitored for pregnancy for 114 to 116 days, giving birth to 8 to 12 piglets per litter. Mother pigs nurse their babies for about 4 to 6 weeks. Then the piglets are vaccinated and separated from their mother. Both mother pigs and piglets will be moved to another area. With effective care measures, farmers improve the productivity and quality of their pig herd, ensuring the health of both sows and piglets. Trending Farm hopes to bring useful information about caring for sows and preparing American-style barbecue. subscribe to the channel and follow the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.
The United States is one of the world's leading turkey producers, especially known for its large, high-quality turkeys. The total U.S. turkey production is expected to be approximately 210.0 million in 2022. Meanwhile, the U.S. turkey meat production for the period January to September 2023 is expected to be 4.11 billion pounds, up about 5% from the same period last year. Turkey farms in the U.S. range from small family farms to large industrial farms, with the most prominent being in Minnesota, North Carolina, Indiana, and Arkansas. Building a diverse scale helps us farmers optimize turkey raising conditions, suitable for the local environment and climate, making the most of the land area and providing the best living space for livestock. In addition, farmers also combine closed and open barns. Turkeys are raised in closed barns in their early stages, then move to open barns when they are older, helping them grow healthy and adapt well to the environment. There are many breeds of turkeys raised on farms, typically broad-breasted white, bronze, heritage. Each breed of chicken will have different breeding and care cycles. Watch the next part of the video for more details. Turkeys enter the breeding season when they reach maturity, which can vary depending on breed, feeding conditions, and climate, usually around 28 to 30 weeks of age. During this time, hens lay eggs in nests that they prepare or find in a safe location. Each clutch typically contains 10 to 12 eggs, each weighing about 60 to 65 grams. Once all the eggs in a clutch are laid, farm workers will harvest them all to a centralized area, where the eggs are sorted and thoroughly inspected before being placed in an industrial incubator. Don't forget to like the video to see more about turkey incubation techniques in the United States. Before turkey eggs are placed in an industrial incubator, they undergo a meticulous process called candling. During this process, a light is shined through each egg, detecting any defects, cracks, or signs of poor development. This careful selection ensures that only healthy, fertilized eggs are selected for incubation. After candling, the eggs are placed in state-of-the-art incubators that meticulously control temperature, humidity, and ventilation, mimicking the natural conditions needed for successful hatching. During the incubation period of approximately 28 days, the eggs are turned frequently to prevent the embryos from sticking to the shell. On Minnesota's modern turkey farms, where state-of-the-art incubators can handle up to 57,000 eggs at a time, eggs are checked every 7 days to ensure proper cell development. Any defective or weak eggs are discarded to maintain the health of the flock. As hatching day approaches, the incubator settings are fine-tuned to create the ideal environment for the chicks to emerge from. This careful, controlled process ensures a high success rate, producing healthy chicks on a large scale. After hatching, the chicks are vaccinated, medicated, and fed to ensure they grow healthily, limiting common poultry diseases. The vaccination process and method for chickens are guaranteed by medical experts at the farm to be carried out quickly and safely, without causing any harm to the chickens. Do you want to know more about vaccination techniques for poultry or pets? Comment below the video to let us know. After 7 days of monitoring and sorting, the turkey chicks will be transferred by the farm workers to a larger concentrated rearing area. Here, they are provided with adequate conditions of food, water, temperature, and humidity suitable for their development, bringing high-quality meat to the food factory. Before the turkeys arrive, the farm workers will start a new working day at 8 a.m. They need to ensure that the flooring materials are fully prepared and the automatic feeding and drinking systems operate smoothly. Hygiene issues are also handled absolutely to limit the spread of pathogens to the turkey flock. Typically, turkeys are harvested at around 5 to 6 months of age for males and 4 to 5 months for females. They are gathered in a confined space, not knowing what will happen next. Due to their large size, workers in the food factory will pick up the turkeys one by one so as not to scare them and disturb the other turkeys. They are then transported to the food factory in specialized vehicles, where their journey from farm to table begins. Follow us for more details on this process. This is the process of processing turkey meat in the food factory. All stages are meticulous and highly efficient. Before entering the food factory, turkeys undergo thorough inspection to ensure they meet strict quality standards. The processing begins with the humane handling of the birds, followed by the defeathering process using hot water and industrial plucking machines. The next step is the gutting of the turkey, where the internal organs are removed and carefully inspected. The turkey carcass is cleaned and cooled to maintain freshness. Next, the turkey is cut into different parts, such as whole chickens, specific cuts, or ground meat, depending on the product requirements. Each item is then packaged, labeled, and prepared to leave the food factory. Throughout this complex process, the food factory adheres to strict hygiene and safety regulations, utilizing modern technology to ensure that turkey meat is processed accurately and efficiently, meeting the needs of both consumers and retailers. It only takes a few minutes to watch the entire process in the food factory, but the workers here have spent an entire day producing standard turkey meat products. Don't forget to share the video to help more people know about this process. Today's consumers recognize the nutritional value of turkey and enjoy it year-round, not just during the holidays. The turkey industry has evolved from a single holiday-oriented product market to a diverse value-added product line year-round. Turkey products are increasingly marketed in a variety of ways and have become staples for health-conscious consumers. Turkey by the Numbers highlights trends in turkey production and consumption, as well as major export markets for U.S. turkey products. Turkey consumption has nearly doubled since 1978.2 pounds per capita, as consumer education and awareness of the nutritional value and taste of turkey products continue to increase. In 2021, U.S. turkey consumption was 5.1 billion pounds and 15.3 pounds per capita. Based on statistics, U.S. authorities predict that turkey consumption will continue to grow, but at a slower rate than before, as consumption patterns change and the diversification of raw material sources increases. What about you? What do you think about your turkey consumption trends in the coming time? Leave a comment to share with us to further develop the community of followers of Trending Farm.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.